A new report is shedding light on the Oregon job outlook between now and 2034. It shows that for higher paying careers in healthcare, technology, and business, a bachelor's degree or higher is still often required. And in Lane County and Western Oregon, many of those jobs are continuing to grow. Reporter Tayton Torgumson has a look at just how those jobs are progressing.
60% of Oregon's fastest growing occupations are in healthcare, with many having ties to regional hospitals, clinics, and research institutions.
If we look at the higher end of the education requirements, occupations like physicians and surgeons, they need PhD medical degrees, where occupations like nurse practitioners and physician's assistants, which are among the fastest growing occupations, require a master's degree. The typical entry-level education for nurses is a bachelor's degree. And then there are jobs like nursing assistants that require less education than that, post-secondary training or an associate degree.
In Western Oregon, jobs requiring a 4-year degree or more are being driven by healthcare and technology. And while the commitment may be greater, the long-term opportunities can be too.
Even things like professional services are seeing growth, especially roles in data analysis, cybersecurity, and engineering.
So, of course, to be more competitive, it's better to have more training, an apprenticeship, say, or go to community college and get that certificate. That makes you more competitive for some of those jobs where you don't need necessarily a college degree.
While competition is often higher for these positions, employers are still looking for those with soft skills.
One thing that employers often say that they need is the so-called soft skills. And that means, being dependable, showing up on time, being courteous, a team player, good at customer service kind of stuff. And, then you can get those hard skills if you're the type of person that has some soft skills also.
Data shows nearly 60% of job openings will require education beyond high school to be competitive. Reporting, I'm Tayton Torgumson.